What we have here is the Macintosh SE30.
Rather long in the tooth, but still functioning. Note the line traveling across the screen is only visible during this digital recording and does not actually show when looking at the screen in person. And you'll see here it is booted. It's now scanning some files. And in just a moment, it'll be ready to use. Here we are. This is one incredible machine. And there you have it. It's available for bid right now. Gotta remember how to turn this thing off. And away we go. It's fully functional, ready to serve you in all of your ancient